This is SkillBank, a coding agent that compounds knowledge across tasks. It distills every solution into reusable skills, stores them in a vector database, and retrieves them via RAG the next time a relevant problem comes in. The architecture has 2 loops. At query time, embed the task, run top case search over the SkillBank, inject the results into the system prompt. After solving, a skill extractor parses the output and writes new entries back to the store. The library grows with each run. I built this with an autonomous multi-agent pipeline I designed. No manual scaffolding on the core agent logic. Getting it running is 3 steps. Clone the repo, pip install the requirements, set anthropic info, then run main.py. First session starts from an empty SkillBank. By session 10 it's pulling from patterns it extracted itself. All the source is here under Ritik paddle. If you want to adapt the pattern, the skill extraction and embedding modules are the parts worth reading. Star it, fork it, or open an issue, I check them.